behalf of Hyderabadis that I'm so glad that VO4 chose to expand their business first to Hyderabad. It's one of the best markets right now in the entire country. It's the fastest economy right now. We have outbroken Bangalore with the highest number of HNIs in the country. We're right now at second position. So I think it was a very strategic move of VO4 that they came to Hyderabad. And out of all the people, they found the best two partners in Hyderabad. That is Vineet and Mahesh. I mean, it's a very good sync. I've already seen them work as great business owners into multiple different industries. And today now they're getting into vehicles like electric vehicles. They already have experience in electric vehicles, so it's so amazing that they have decided to come into this. The location of this store is just amazing. It's like the heart of the city that they are here right now. The visibility of the store is amazing, so there's nobody in Hyderabad who can miss out on this location. So kudos to everything falling in place, from the strategy to the store to the owners. I was just asking Vinay that there's so many people in the city, in the country who are doing electrical vehicles. Why did you choose VO4? And his answer was very simple. He said because of the owners. After listening to him for the last couple of minutes, I'm very sure that the company has thorough knowledge of what they're delivering. My favorite bike out of all is called Dodo. First of all, love the name, and second of all, does not need license, does not need registration. So I think that is one go-to bike for every woman who's just, bachcho ko chhodna, cooking karna, one basic things in and out. I think it's one of the go-to bikes, Dodo. Very useful. Having one at home will always help. So love the entire concept. Good boot space to stuff all your belongings, and good lighting. I checked it all after that, I'm saying. So I think Dodo is my takeaway from today. And of course, the partnership of all of these people coming together is going to create real milestones in the business world. Thank you.